What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about AMC, GME as well as the broader market. So today AMC was down for 9.01% for the day. It had a high of $13.63. The average volume on AMC around 49.66 million, but today's volume was a slight bit higher. It was around 39.62 million just because we have the earnings today in the aftermarket, and it was a beat again on AMC. Now AMC is the only company in the broader market which are bringing in pretty good numbers with the movies and the people that are coming in to watch it, and their other sources of revenue as well are pretty good on the top. Just according to the current market situation, if there was any kind of a negative news on AMC towards the even guidance as well, this stock would have beaten down, but we are a slight bit up in the aftermarket. That's 4.55%, but I'm pretty sure by the tomorrow trading day we will be going into the red because the market maker is having a close eye on AMC. They don't want AMC or GME to report anything significant good which can create a solid up momentum coming into the stock. Now let's come over to the GME. GME was down for 13.87% for the day. It had a high of $110.78. The average volume on GME is around 4.19 million, but today's volume was a slight bit higher. It was around 3.30 million because the price action that we are seeing on GME, that has gone down quite a bit just due to the overall broader market is having a sell off. All the meme stock, they get affected quite a lot. Now let's come over to the SPY. The SPY was down for 3.20% for the day. It had a high of $406.41. So we can see there is a significant downtrend coming in the overall broader market. Like I have been mentioning for many months that we're going to experience a lot of downtrend, and I personally believe this is just getting started. We're going to go in a very deep significant downtrend, and when it's going to end you never know. This is a lifetime opportunity that a lot of people are going to get in buying stocks in the overall broader market, because there are a lot of stocks that have gone down significantly. This is just getting started. Now we have the CPI number coming on Wednesday. If that numbers is going down a slight bit as compared to what we had in the previous months, then the market is going to rally and all the shorts position are going to get crushed. But you never know, the inflation can go high or stay at the same point. If it goes slight bit down, I'm pretty sure we're going to experience a rally coming into the stock market. Now let's come over to the options for the AMC. I have increased the premium to max and see what exactly the whales were doing. The whales were basically buying some call option at the market close, and the majority of them were still again onto the downside. This kind of a day is pretty good to trade towards the downside, but if you are betting that the AMC is going to go down after earnings, it's a very crazy bet. I will not bet against AMC at any cost that it will go down after earnings. The main reason is this, that AMC is having a very good fundamentals now. A lot of people are going to movies, and there is a quite a big of backing coming in through the apes as well. A lot of investors are buying this stock, but I'm pretty sure even if there is any kind of a significant good news, we won't experience any kind of a short squeeze. It's all about shorts covering their short position in a scared scenario, which can happen only when the overall broader market start going up. Then the shorts have to cover their short positions. The rest, there was nothing majorly suspicious coming out of the options flow for the AMC. Now let's come over to the GME. I have increased the premium to max and see what exactly the whales are doing. Majority of the whales are onto the downside. Most of them are betting that the GME is going to keep going down from here onwards. The kind of downtrend of 13.86% with no bad news on the company, this can have a pretty good rebound coming into this stock if the overall broader market start going up. Now when I bring down the premium and see what exactly the mini whales are doing, again the mini whales are also onto the downside. Majority of them are just betting that the GME will keep going down further from here onwards. Now let's come over to the options flow for the SPY. Now by looking at the options flow for the SPY, I can tell you there were a lot of call buying that was happening at the market close. A lot of individuals are betting that the SPY is going to go up from here onwards. Now the kind of market we are in, usually there is a downtrend. Usually the option flow for the SPY is towards the downside, but it changed significantly towards the end of the day. A lot of investors are betting that the SPY is going to go up from here onwards. Now I have increased the premium to max and see what exactly the whales are doing. Now these were the heavy whales that were coming in today. They were buying $395 put option, and they bought it around when the SPY was around $493, and they are putting a premium of $27.8 million. And there was this $390 put option that's going to expire in 129 days, and this individual is putting $12.2 million. The kind of contracts, the kind of money they are betting that the SPY will keep going down from here onwards, This is not suspicious. This is a sure shot bet that the SPY will keep going down a little bit more further. But there was a little bit suspicious activity that was happening in the SPY right at the market close. There were a lot of individuals, those who were betting that the SPY is going to go up from here onwards. Let's see, hope for the best, what's going to happen. But I'm pretty sure if the CPI number is good on Wednesday, we are going to have a rally coming into the stock market. But the downtrend is not over. We're going to go down significantly. Now the stock market is going down, Bitcoin is also going down, and the real estate market is also going to go down slow and steady all around the world. Hope so. You like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.